Mars. The red planet is preparing to host one of humanity's greatest discoveries. Today, we will explore how a colony could be established on Mars and the 5 key steps to take in this monumental journey. Exploration and infrastructure preparation. The first step towards establishing a colony on Mars is a detailed exploration of the planet. Initially, spacecraft and robots will be sent to study Mars' atmosphere, surface, and climate conditions. Water resources, energy potential, and suitable areas for settlement will be identified on Mars. The presence of water, in particular, is critical for the sustainability of the colony. Sending supplies to Mars and establishing logistical infrastructure. Before sending humans to Mars, essential materials must be transported to the planet's surface. This step aims to establish the infrastructure that will lay the foundation for the manned mission. Unmanned vehicles will deliver materials for living quarters and energy systems to the planet. This includes solar panels, water purification systems, and initial agricultural equipment. First manned mission and establishing a settlement. The first manned mission to Mars is one of the most challenging steps. The colonists will arrive on Mars and begin constructing their living quarters. The first priority is to establish the infrastructure that will ensure human survival. The initial settlements will typically be built underground or in areas protected from Mars' atmosphere. This is due to the thin atmosphere and high radiation levels on Mars. Establishing continuous life support systems. For sustainable living on Mars, the production of oxygen, water, and food is crucial. At this stage, life support systems will need to be set up in the settlement areas. Food will be produced using bioreactors and hydroponic farming systems. Water will be extracted from ice on Mars and recycled through a water recovery system for reuse. Expansion and achieving independence. The colony on Mars will gradually grow and become more independent. Resources on Mars will be utilized to reduce the colony's dependence on Earth. Natural resources on Mars, particularly minerals and underground water, will form an important economic foundation for the colony. The colony will become an independent living space by using its own resources for energy production. The process of establishing a colony on Mars is a long and challenging journey, but it marks the beginning of a new era for humanity. This goal is not only about sustaining life in space, but also about creating extraterrestrial habitats. So, what about you? Would you want to settle on Mars? Share your thoughts with us in the comments. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.